Hello Bladers. Dashcam first introduced in the Philippines year 2017. That is close to 5 years of study and data to further enhance the current model of driving recorders. I know you've been waiting for this review. This is the Transcend Drive Pro 20. We are back here once again for another Transcend Dashcam review. But this around, there's no dashboard mounting. Curious to find out? Stay tuned. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. We have here the Transcend Drive Pro 20 exclusive for motorcycle or helmet-ridden riders. Why we say from the start that there's no dashboard in this video. The mounting this time is exclusive to helmets. At first glance, this small, portable, but quality and sturdy device is clearly specifically designed to be mounted on the rider's helmet. More importantly, it should be mounted on the rider's peripheral view. As seen and standard from Transcend's current and dated driving recorders. This Transcend Drive Pro 20 has the same features and tech from its models. Transcend, which boasts its Starvis image sensor, which provides the recorder to capture high-resolution images, with superb rich color even in low light. The lens has the capability to shoot at 1080p high definition at 60 frames per second. That feature should be enough to not miss the important details, including the license plates. It also comes with emergency recording sensitivity, which will lock to prevent deletion of important videos. Viewing your recorded videos will be easy with the Wi-Fi connectivity, which is available in most of Transcend's models. Just download the Transcend's official app via the Play Store and App Store. The major upgrade that is unique with this device is its exterior casing and protection. Since this is mounted in the helmet, the recorder is exposed to the harmful environment direct to the heat and rain and other external factors. Built with an aluminum exterior, Transcend says it is IP68 rated, so expect the device to withstand environment elements like dust and water. The high-capacity Li polymer battery may last for 2.5 hours of recording for one full charge. The box comes with a free 32GB microSD card class 10 from Transcend, which may last up to 2.5 hours of recording as well. If there's any upgrade request that we would want for this modern device, it would be better if the battery is interchangeable, so the rider which will ride for more than 2.5 hours would have a longer coverage, the storage capacity as well. As well know, most of our riders enjoy long rides to provinces. It's troublesome if you would only be able to cover a few hours of your ride, especially if you want to capture specific sceneries. More mounts or purchasable separately would be perfect, since most of our riders have more than one helmet. We would also prefer if the port is the latest Type-C instead of the previous designed micro USB port. Last but not the least, if we could rename the model from Drive Pro to Ride Pro, since this device is specifically designed for helmets riders of motorcycle, bike, e-scooters and other two-wheel driven mobility machine. It would really sound good, the Transcend Ride Pro 20. What do you think of the Transcend Drive Pro 20? Are you getting one tomorrow? Hit us with your opinion in the comments section below. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.